I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Hey guys, welcome back to Vlogmas Day 2. Got the Christmas tree lit up just for ambiance. Oh my god, Molly is like popping off right now. What are you doing? I can see your little shadow. I know you're right there. You're not as stealthy as you think you are. No, I can see you. She just tried to duck behind something. Yeah, I can see you. Please calm down. She's a psychopath. So today is Monday. Got my wine sweatshirt on to stay nice and cozy warm because it's a little chilly in LA. And like chilly by LA standards. Please don't, yeah, Molly. Please don't yell at me if, you know, for complaining about the cold here. I'm not complaining, I'm just saying. I have a lot of work to do today. I obviously have to get Vlogmas Day 1 edited and uploaded. And then I also have a main channel video that I want to edit to go up tomorrow. So I have all of that, and then I also want to make it over to Target at some point today to do a little bit of shopping for some of those things that I've talked about getting. What? What is it? What are you crying about? Do you need attention or what? Yeah, I do want to check out Target. Obviously, we were there yesterday and looked at a few different things. So I want to go back and sort of reevaluate. I'm honestly not sure if I'm going to find that much stuff at Target, only because the Target near me sort of sucks. It doesn't have a great selection of stuff, but I have some ideas of some little things that I want to add in. I was on Pinterest last night and pinned some things that I thought would be fun. That's our little Christmas activity for Vlogmas. But to start our day, let's go get some coffee because it's Monday and it hurts. Just physical pain on this Monday. Let's see, I don't think I have any more Christmas mugs left because we used them both yesterday. I think I only have those two, so normal Molly mug it is. Yum. Look at what I walk in here to. Molly, you get down from there right now. Are you serious? You cannot sit on my laptop. Do you understand me? Do you? Huh? Don't try to butter me up. Do you understand me? Okay, thank you for apologizing. Oh my god, hopefully she didn't do anything. This happens all the time where she like legitimately sends shit to people. Good, we're in the clear. Here's what's up. I'm going to work on editing Vlogmas Day 1 so I can get that up. And then I'm probably gonna dive into the main channel video. And then I think we'll do lunch and Target and then come back and probably have to finish my main channel video because that usually takes a while. But I am armed with my coffee now, which always helps. Hopefully Molly starts behaving. She's being really bad. She keeps jumping up on the counters and like doing terrible things. And that's that. So I need to get to work now. Just finished making lunch. I filmed it for Monday Cravings actually for today, which is why I didn't show you me making it, but it will be up on my Instagram, on my IGTV, if you're interested in learning how I made this delicious truffle and mushroom ravioli. This dish is insane. I feel like when I mentioned it, a lot of people asked questions about it. So if you want to see how I made this delicious masterpiece, go check out my Instagram. Shameless plug. Finished lunch, Vlogmas Day 1 is uploaded, and now we're going to go and do a little bit of shopping. Okay, home decor. Time to take a look and see what sort of stuff we want. Hoping they have some cute things. This little plant is sort of cute. It could look good by my TV. Oh, look at these cute little stockings. This one's adorable. Oh, these are sort of pretty. Let's see. Try me. Oh, it lights up. Oh, I see. That could be sort of pretty. Maybe I'll grab one of these. How much are you? No price. It must be free. Okay, great. First thing acquired. So I'm looking for a little bowl that I can put M&Ms into. But this is like sort of big. Why does this not have a price on it either? Like, what's going on, Target? Put prices on your things. Put this in here, but I think it's too big. I need something smaller. Oh, I love this. This is so beautiful. Oh, only $13. Yes. Maybe this little guy, only $5. Could look cute. Candlesticks. I said I wanted some of these. Not sure that I'm crazy about. Oh my gosh, it's just $24. I don't know. Maybe a little bowl like this would be cute. Maybe. We'll take it, just in case. That's what I like to see. Obviously I have to smell all of these Christmas candles and pick out like 2. Sleigh ride. It's okay, and I don't love the color. Gingerbread house. Yes. Also yes. Big yes. Cashmere currant. Smells like nothing. Also sort of nothing. Okay. I'm satisfied with my picks. We're getting a gingerbread house, a holiday spruce, and a, I don't know what. Oh, eggnog latte. Got to check out Chip and Joanna's stuff. See if they have anything I need. Their selection is sort of light here, so I'm guessing no. Like, what is this? There's a tree topper, but that's not really what I want. I want something more classic this year. This is sort of cute. I like this tree skirt, but it's just going to be too big, I think. Unfortunately. What is this? Oh, dish towels? I do sort of need new dish towels. I'm just going to throw them in. I know they're not Christmassy, but they're cute, and I need new ones. These are like a little bit more holiday-y. Do I care? Oh, they're napkins. Okay, never mind. Just this, but I think this is going to be too big as well. 52 inches. 50, yeah, those are the same size. Okay, too big. On to our next section, I think. Holiday Hershey's Kisses. Perfect. We are on the hunt for tree toppers. Oh, here we are. These are pretty, but they're expensive. $35. Where's the cheaper ones? Here we are. $5. Very tempting. I like these gold ones. Like this one's $5. Very tempting because like pretty gold sparkly. I feel like it's like low-key my favorite anyway. Okay, I'm in. You sold me for $5. I am all about it. Got an avocado. Found these cookies that I couldn't find yesterday. Very excited about that. And the only other thing I wanted was bell peppers, but they only have them like wrapped up in so much plastic, so I'm not gonna get them here, I don't think. Okay, time to make some final decisions about what we're getting here. This is a reasonable price, right? Yeah, $13. Okay, great, I love that. $5, I'm in. I'm gonna get the red bowl, so we don't need this. And this guy didn't have a price. Oh, here it is, $13 as well. Okay, we're doing it. This is what we're getting. Let's go. Might as well pop in here while we're in the area, right? We have a lot of cute tree stuff here, but it's all overpriced, so I don't think I'm gonna grab anything. Let me check out their ornaments. No. Nope. There are gnomes everywhere this Christmas. It's like a Christmas trend this year. I'll pass. Yeah, no. Okay, nothing I need here. Let's go home. Walking home with a lot of stuff here. Got a tree sticking out back here. But we're on our way. Are you a little somersaulting cat? Hey, do you like somersaulting? Hi. Okay, whoa. Don't be nasty. Oh, yeah. Good girl. Okay, we made it home. I'm gonna give you a quick run through of the things that I got. So I did end up getting those 2 dish towels. These are not Christmassy, but they're cute and I needed new ones, so that's good. These are Hearth and Hand. I got the eggnog latte candle, which smells so insane. I'm obsessed with it. Got this guy, which is already shedding so much, so that'll be fun. But I thought this would look good and add some height behind my TV, which is something that I sort of needed. Sorry, I'm all out of focus. An avocado, because I wanted one. The inside of this bag has to be cleaned now because of this tree, so that's fun. We have our tree topper here, super glittery and pretty. More candles, I got 2 smaller ones. This one is holiday spruce. This one just smells like a Christmas tree, which I thought would be sort of nice since my tree is fake, so it will not smell like a Christmas tree in here. But I got one more smaller candle. Hershey Kisses to go inside this little bowl that I got. Yeah, this little guy. so cute. Some Christmas shape cookies, because I couldn't find them at Ralph's the other day, so wanted to grab them. Oh, this actually, I made an audible right at the end, so you guys didn't see this at all, but I switched out that light up tree for this tree. It has a hole in the bottom, so I can put a little candle in it still, and I don't know, I really like this one. It was the same exact price, so easy enough. And then this gorgeous glass tree, which I just think is so crazy beautiful. I didn't leave one of my little candles behind, that'd be sad. Let me see how many I paid for. Okay, I'm pretty sure I only got 2 candles, which sucks because I definitely had 3 in my cart, so I definitely just forgot to bring one up. One that I really like to, but I'm sure I'll be back at Target. Who cares? Okay, so I'm actually gonna get back to work for a little while and then we'll play around with placing some of this stuff. And 4 hours later, after finishing editing my main channel video, we are done. Let's go ahead and close up these blinds because it's totally dark out now so everyone can see into my home. And I wanna play around with placement for some of this stuff that we got, so let's do it. So these trees, can I carry it all? I'm scared that I'm gonna drop them. These trees are pretty simple to place because I know that they're gonna go over here by the TV. I already plopped this guy back here because it was losing a lot of like its fuzz. I didn't want to get all over my kitchen, so moved that over here. I don't know, let's play around a little bit. Not totally sure where I want everything to fit in. This, okay, just scoot back there. That's good. Now over here, try to fit this guy in. I think this, I'm actually, I don't know yet. Maybe what I need. No, I think that's good there. Yeah, that looks pretty over there. Does it look like too symmetrical? No, I think it looks okay. Could probably use something else tall back there, but it's good for now. And then this over here definitely looks really nice. Candles, I'm gonna swap out. This is a fall candle. I'm just gonna save it and I'll just use it again after Christmas because I like the scent. I just want to switch it out to my Christmas ones now. Oh, you know which one didn't end up getting picked up was the gingerbread one. That one was so yummy. Definitely have to go back for that. I think what I'm gonna do is put this one, my eggnog one, over here. I think that'll look good. Yummy. And then this guy, maybe I'll just put over here. Move this guy over here a little bit. This guy comes in here, and this is finished, so I can throw it out. Okay, great. Candy. Actually, I should wash this quickly. Look at how cute this looks, you guys, with all of the little Christmas Hershey Kisses. So I'm sort of thinking about getting rid of this. Although I do sort of like greenery. The struggle. Too much stuff. Yes, we are going to move this. I think this looks too small. With this setup, this can come over here. This can move in here, although I would like to replace it with something new that looks a little bit nicer. It's sort of fallen apart. And actually, I want to like scoot these back a little bit. Okay, cute, that's good. This is gonna get replaced with a gingerbread candle, but for now, Autumn Harvest will do. Love this little snow globe. So maybe I'll put it over here. I know it's like less on display over here, but still cute. I need new flowers badly. These are obviously very dead. Sweet, and now the last thing is just this star to go on the top of my tree. So let's do it. Yeah, I think that looks really cute. Oh my god, my hands are covered in glitter from this star. Oh my god, I almost fell. Yeah, cute. I feel like that's great for a $5 star. I am in. Pretty good. I hung these little things in here because I didn't know what to do with them. So cute. I love it. Before I finish my dinner, I want to light my new candles, get it smelling like delicious Christmas in here. This one is not new, but still delicious, even though it's like not burning correctly. Like that wick won't even light, so it's sort of on its way out. We have this guy, which smells like a Christmas tree, so I'm super pumped. Got the ambiance going in here, and it is so nice. And by the way, I've been watching The Marvelous Miss Maisel all day today, and finally starting it. I'm on season 1, but it is so good. I'm gonna do some laundry to sort of wrap up my night here. I wanna do some work, just some planning stuff, nothing too crazy. And also I want to have a Hershey Kiss. Do not mind if I do. So yummy. Oh, I seriously have no clue where time went today, you guys. It is 11:50. Almost midnight. I just spent the past few hours working on the clips that I already had for this Vlogmas episode, getting those together, and also just planning in general. There is a lot that goes into Vlogmas behind the scenes other than just filming every day and uploading every day and editing every day. There's a lot of planning, there's a lot of like thinking and figuring out your schedule and what can you do and what's gonna be interesting for that day for 24 days straight. As someone who really enjoys days where I do absolutely nothing, that's probably the biggest challenge for me for Vlogmas, is just finding interesting things to do that often. As I said, I want to do a bit of laundry, so I just threw my sheets in, so I gotta make my bed now so that I can go to sleep. I totally forgot about this, otherwise I would have done it earlier.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose.
And voila, the bed is made. Hope you guys enjoyed the struggle of making a bed when you have a cat, because they like to play on the bed while you're doing it. Oh, is there anything better than getting into a freshly made bed? Alrighty, thank you guys for watching today, and I will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 3.
So I'm